Hey guys, welcome back to the Lazy Tech channel. Today I want to talk about an app that if you don't have, you should have. It definitely will help your earning out a little bit. It's part of Earn Honey. It's called Super Pop Quiz. And really only thing you have to do is participate. You download it. And here, let's get out to the beginning of this thing. So you pick a category: math, movies, pop culture, whatever you like, vocab. There's several, and they've got several levels, I do believe. So on the easy level, I don't even know if you can change this level to after you get to a certain mastery level. I haven't had it that long, had it for a couple days, but you can put this into your routine, and as long as you participate in this, you get 6 points. Now, and it doesn't matter if you get the answers right, wrong, doesn't make a difference. You just have to participate in, and you will get points for, let's get a right one here. And you just got to participate into this, and then you convert those into Earn Honey dollars. So if you don't have it, like I said, click the link back down below and get signed up so that you can collect and earn some money with Earn Honey and with this app. This is a really good app. We're adding it to our schedule. I run it a couple times a day, sometimes 3 is what I've been doing over the last few days. Sit down and just run through it and play it for a little bit. And I've been running this for about maybe 30 minutes. I've been messing around with it and haven't quite got enough points yet to quiz out, to cash out to Earn Honey dollars. But I've already cashed out today. I cashed out everything I had, and that was about 34 Earn Honey dollars. And so once I did that, you know, it went through and it paid almost immediately. From the time that I could log back into Earn Honey, the points were there. So it's definitely quick and easy, and you can do it pretty quick depending on how fast. As long as you participate, you definitely get points. So it's something I would add to my routine. I just wanted to bring it up and go over it a little bit more than what most people do. They say download it and do it, let you figure it out. Which, yeah, some people let this run, and what I've noticed is you earn much better by actually being involved than just going, nope, I'm not going to do anything. Simply because, you know, if you're cooperating. Now, I've been told that if you let it run, you'll earn. From what I can tell, you don't earn very good. So you could try that out for yourselves. I just run it when I'm going to be involved in it. Anyway, I wanted to put this app out there, let you guys be part of it. And again, if you haven't signed up, and if you haven't, this point in this video is helpful, please like this video. And definitely, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell to get all those notifications. And remember, the day's what you make it. So let's make it a good one.